Ever wondered why the rich and famous never seem to go bald even in their old age? Welcome to Musings, where we unravel the secrets behind popular phenomena. Today we delve into the fascinating world of hair transplants, a procedure that has become increasingly popular over the years. A hair transplant is a surgical process through which hair follicles are moved from one part of the body, typically the back or side of the head, to a balding or thinning area. This procedure has been a game changer for many individuals as it offers a permanent solution to hair loss. The process begins with a consultation with a dermatologist or a hair transplant surgeon who assesses the individual's hair loss pattern and determines the best course of action. Following this, the actual procedure takes place. There are two primary methods of hair transplantation: Follicular Unit Transplantation (FUT) and Follicular Unit Extraction (FUE). In FUT, a strip of skin with hair is removed from the donor area and then divided into individual follicular units. These units are then transplanted into the recipient area. FUE, on the other hand, involves taking individual hair follicles from the donor area and transplanting them into the recipient area. This technique is less invasive and leaves no linear scar, making it a popular choice among many individuals. The benefits of a hair transplant go beyond just the aesthetic appeal. It can significantly boost an individual's self-esteem and confidence, as they no longer have to worry about their receding hairline or bald spots. Moreover, unlike other hair loss treatments, a hair transplant offers a more natural and permanent solution. As with any surgical procedure, hair transplants come with their risks and potential side effects. These may include infection, scarring, unnatural-looking new hair growth, and the possibility that the transplanted hair will not take, which means the procedure would need to be repeated. However, these risks can be mitigated by choosing a qualified and experienced surgeon. It's also important to understand that hair transplants are not an immediate solution. It can take up to a year for the transplanted hair to fully grow and for the final results to be visible. Patience is key in this journey. In conclusion, hair transplants are a viable solution for those struggling with hair loss. They can restore not only the hair but also the confidence and self-esteem of individuals. However, like any surgical procedure, it's crucial to thoroughly research and consult with a professional before deciding to go ahead with the process. Remember, the aim is not just to have more hair, but to have healthier hair that will stand the test of time. So if you're considering a hair transplant, make sure you're doing it for the right reasons and that you're prepared for the journey ahead. Thank you for tuning in to Mind Musings. We hope this comprehensive guide on hair transplants has been enlightening. Stay tuned for more intriguing and educational content. Don't forget to subscribe and change the watermark name to Mind Musings.